a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.